In this video, we are going to discuss about the periodic properties. As you all know from the previous videos that the basis for the classification of a periodic table is the atomic number. As per modern periodic law, the physical and chemical properties of the elements are the periodic functions of their atomic number. In this video, we are going to discuss about the periodic properties. Let us see first the definition. What is periodic property? If you see the definition for periodic property, the recurrence of similar properties of elements at definite regular interval with increasing atomic number is known as periodicity, and any property which is periodic in nature is called periodic property. Remember, in the periodic table we have seen in groups in particular the properties of the elements are repeating. That repeating of property is because of their atomic number, or else in particular it is because of the electronic configuration of the outermost shell of the atoms. Always remember, in periodic table at certain regular interval of atomic number, the properties of the elements will repeat. In particular, it is seen in the group, and we also know the magic number, that is 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 32. In the periodic table, as this number repeats, the periodic properties of the elements also repeat. Let us see the periodic properties which are repeating. Here we have prepared a list of certain properties which are repeating in the periodic table. The first one under this is atomic radius, ionization energy, electronegativity, electron gain enthalpy, metallic nature, non-metallic nature, and acidic nature of oxide and basic nature of oxides. We are going to see all these properties in the special videos, but for time being we are going to see how these properties varies in group and period. As you all know, group is nothing but the vertical column present in the periodic table, and the period is the horizontal rows present in the periodic table. In the previous video also we have said that in long form of periodic table we have 7 periods and 18 groups. Let us see how these periodic properties varies in group and period. We have prepared a box here in which the first box is related to the periodic property, and the second box is variation in group, the third box is variation in period, and we have written the periodic properties in the short form. As you can see on the board, atomic radius is represented as AR, ionization energy as IE, electronegativity as EN, electron gain enthalpy or else electron affinity as EA, metallic nature as Mn, non-metallic nature as NMN. Let us see how these periodic properties varies in group and in period. Remember, in this box the upward arrow represents the increase in the property and the downward arrow represent the decrease in property. Remember, atomic radius in group increases, whereas in period the atomic radius decreases. What is the reason? The reason here is a new shell is added in group, whereas in period the electrons enter into the same shell. Ionization energy, electronegativity, electron affinity, all these three properties in group decreases, whereas these properties increases in period. Metallic nature increases in group and decreases in period, whereas non-metallic nature decreases in group and increases in period. This is the brief description about the periodic properties and their variation in group and in period. We will see in detail about the periodic properties in next coming videos.